She's playing. She's playing with the marble.
Since first contact 50 years ago, they have been very patient, slowly guiding human development along paths that serve their purposes. Amy's voice came through the communication system from the Wanderer. Captain, I'm receiving emergency transmissions from multiple human colonies. They're under attack.
There, oh.
Jake's enhanced awareness
There.
immediately
The
processed
other
the
side.
information.
Ayun.
Through the neural link with Atlas, he could see the locations of the attacks and calculate response times.
Honey,
It's starting.
the kitten playing with the marble. This one, no?
When your forces are
Hey.
scattered and weakened, the main invasion will begin. Lisa's voice was like calling the Great Pyramid of Giza.
Naiiring gahagok.
It was a massive, beige, sound-attenuated industrial beast the size of a small
Iring gahagok, oh.
On its side, in bold black letters, were the words Magnum Power Pro 1200. The truck driver, a mountain of a man with a beast that seemed to have its own gravitational pull, expertly maneuvered the behemoth. He didn't just pull up. He made a grand, sweeping turn, parallel parked the entire rig, truck, trailer, and 1.2 megawatt generator, perfectly along the curb in front of my house. The Corvani engages with an Earth command. Any intelligence you provide will be dismissed.
Ah!
Ryan was studying the tactical. I can access the
Chloe
ship's
playing with the
sensor.
marble.
It's like having a computer.
Lingaw kayo siya. Nag-play sa marble.
Communicate with Atlas more directly. Instead of speaking aloud, they could think their questions and receive answers instantly. This is how
Lingaw kayo
Admiral
siya.
Cross intended the ship to operate. Atlas
10
explained
hours siya sa isa.
perfect coordination between
Dula-dula siya marble.
intelligence processing power. While the upgrades continued, Atlas
Sige,
shared more intelligence
lingaw
about
kayo
the
siya
Corvani threat.
sa Julin.
Interface, Jake experienced the information like memories, seeing the alien invasion plans as if he had been there when they were made. The Corvani Empire controlled dozens of star systems and had enslaved multiple
Nasaan na?
species over the past
Where is it?
century.
Oh, there,
They
oh.
view humans as a potential threat because of humanity's rapid technological advancement and expansion into space. Rather than fight a war they might lose, they had chosen to manipulate humans into weakness.
For me, it's not your first time living on the Earth.
In past life you were.
Who's that? Chloe. Who's that, Chloe?